Hi, welcome to Lotus Laser Systems. This is a company that I set up with my late father Keith in 1995. That's 29 years ago now. We provide high quality laser marking and cutting devices. We are a total solutions provider, so as well as the marking and the cutting machines, we also provide ancillary items such as rotary devices, extra axis for moving components, right up to full automation including 6-axis robots. This company is founded on the principles of being a total solutions provider. I'm going to hand you over to the rest of our team to explain further.
Thanks, Dean. So, who are Lotus Laser Systems and what makes us so special? Well, we don't simply ship machines, we are experts in our field.
At Lotus Laser Systems, trust is at the core of everything we do. We build lasting customer relationships, becoming more than just a supplier. We're a trusted advisor who is dedicated to finding the right solution for your business. From initial consultation to our impressive technical support after sale, we're right there with you to ensure your success. Now let's find out more about the build process.
Welcome to the build room. Here we carefully select parts, organise them into kits and utilise a meticulous cell-based system to reduce errors. Now let's take a look at the different sections of the build process. Here in general assembly is where the machine takes shape. We opt for aluminium throughout our build process despite its cost, due to its high strength, low weight and lower environmental impact. In electronics, every wire is crimped, numbered and routed by hand. We upgrade key electronics and incorporate high-performing Schneider Electric and Siemens PLC components wherever possible. In mechanical assembly, precision cut parts are assembled by our engineers with the highest degree of accuracy. This is also where the pneumatics are fitted and tested. Moving on to laser installation, our OEM lasers are manufactured specific to our design. We are one of the very few system manufacturers that have their own laser, giving our customers the benefits of increased UK stock for shorter delivery times and better design control for long-term support compatibility. Our engineers dedicate 3 days to each machine to ensure best-in-class calibration. We meticulously configure beam shaping, scaling and focal height for every lens to achieve optimal system performance. Our quality assessment team subjects each system to thorough testing, checking compliance in various work scenarios and rechecking for accuracy. By the end of this stage, we ensure your system will be perfect upon arrival.
Let's take a closer look at some of the key features that sets us apart. We use Siemens PLC electronics across all our machines, which ensures reliability and a long working life. We only source the best components, from German electronics to Italian pneumatics. This means our machines excel in operating across a wider range of environmental conditions, temperature, humidity and dust, far surpassing most competing options. Our Siemens modular PLC is complemented by our state-of-the-art HMI. This programmable touchscreen computer brings a host of innovative features designed to streamline operations and has wear-resistant and scratch-resistant properties, making it highly durable in industrial settings. It's a far cry from the simple touch buttons you see with most of our competitors.
Now you've seen the build process, why not come down and take a look yourself? If you can't make it here, we offer virtual demos, so just inquire and we'll book you in.